Hello from the National Weather Service in Pocatello. This is the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Monday, June 3rd. Again, looking at the satellite this morning, it looks very much like it did yesterday, this upper low spinning over Southern California. We do have a few clouds here over Southeast Idaho. There's another upper level disturbance coming into British Columbia, a little bit of a weak cold front out ahead of that. So we're going to be seeing some interaction between this low and that cold front here later on today and this afternoon. But for now, looking at the radar, everything looks pretty clear over southeast Idaho. Just a few showers down over eastern Utah and in Colorado, but most of the Pacific Northwest actually looks pretty dry right now, pretty stable. But once we head into the afternoon hours, once again, thunderstorms, some showers and thunderstorms developing in the central mountains out here and also in parts of the southeastern highlands. Maybe a little bit here in the Snake River Plain as well. But again, we can see this cold front here on the surface map. That's going to play a factor in some of these storms developing in the central mountains. Not expecting any severe weather today, but again, look for some small hail, some gusty winds, maybe some locally heavy rainfall with that as well. So, but nothing severe expected. Take a look at some high temperatures today, up in the 70s here in the Snake Plain. Some of the valleys up here getting into the 60s and 70s, so looks like a pretty nice day temperature-wise. We'll fast forward into tomorrow. We see this front stalling across the central mountains. A little bit drier. Most of the showers and thunderstorm activity is going to be mainly confined east of Interstate 15 and out towards the Wyoming border there. So that's going to be tomorrow afternoon. And then we start to clear out a little bit on Wednesday. Again, we have a weak cold front pushing through, but just some very isolated shower activity there on Wednesday, if anything. Let's fast forward to Friday. Thursday and Friday look like there's going to be pretty interesting weather. This cold front looks like it's going to be pushing through. It's going to be giving us some pretty decent weather out along with it. Some showers, again, some thunderstorms here Thursday and Friday. Once that front passes through, we're going to see some fairly strong winds, maybe 25 to 30 miles an hour across the Snake Plain. And we're also going to see a little bit cooler temperatures. In fact, we'll take a look at some of the high temperatures here on Saturday after the cold front has already gone through. Temperatures in the 60s instead of the 70s, so a little bit cooler. And even heading into Sunday, our temperatures getting in the mid to upper 30s in areas like Rexburg, Idaho Falls. So it's going to be a little bit chilly this weekend. And however, it does look like next week is panning out to be fairly dry. So hopefully that forecast pans out. We'll be updating that forecast throughout the week. And if you have any questions, give us a call at the number on the screen there, and you can also leave us an email. And if you want a more detailed forecast, check out weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for listening.